Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Meta AI. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do here, you have to choose the option which you want, which is get started with Meta AI or set up a device. So let me go over to the first option. So over here you can using your Instagram, Facebook, so whichever one you want to use, you can go over to use, or you go over to use mobile number or email address. So let me go over to the second option, and over here I'm going to put in my phone number. Go over to next. They're going to send me an SMS. So it's a create a new Meta account. We cannot find Meta account for my number. You may not have created one. If you have created one, it may be using different mobile number or an email address. So let me go over to next. So over here, what you have to do is for you to choose dates of birth. So you just have to choose your date of birth. Start from the year first. So when you are done with that, you just have to go over to next, and you have to create a password. They say create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers. It should be something that others could not guess. So let me go over to create a password with a number on it also. So when you are done with that, you go over to next. Okay, they say review how you appear on Meta AI. Use or edit suggested username to get started. So you can choose the one you want. You can suggest a username and just go over to this and go over to confirm. To confirm your account, enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your number. So let me go over to get it. So this is the code and it's done. So I'm done creating an account on Meta AI. So you can, let me go over don't allow. You can animate your photo, create an image, learn how to grow and analyze for me. So you can do a lot of things with this Meta AI. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.